How are you all doing? So I hope each and every one of you are absolutely fine. So my name is Pama Murmu and I am from Jharkhand. So today this video is completely going to be a very fascinating video, because this video is, as you can see, I am shooting on the field. As you can see, there are lots of fields around me and there are lots of greenery around me. As you can see, there are some cows are grazing behind me and the sun rays are shining very strong, and because of that I can't stare sun like this. I think you can feel that the air is blowing very fast, and also today the temperature of the earth is not so much high, and because of that today I feel little much of calmness. And monsoon season is about to come, and because of that I think the sow season of on the field is very strong. Hey, you can see there are lots of cows, guys. Oh wow, they are looking very nice. They are very fascinating. As you can see, there are some birds. There are some birds who are on the field. This field are not so by any kind of, I would say, the paddy. These all are the paddy fields. There are some weeds. There are some, oh my god, sometimes I feel it will just graze me, but I think all are the domestic cows. Then I hope they will not attack. Okay, so today this is the time of about of 11 a.m. and this is, yes, this is a morning time. So that's why the sun is not that much strong, and because of that I can make video. And yes, this is a kind of English speaking practice with by our nearby words and the people around us. So now I'm going back to my home again, because I think what I can do. Okay, so let's go. So here I am going to my home. So I am walking on the trail. Okay, so by walking on the trail it will leads to my home. Okay, and why I came here to make video only, because it will help you to improve English when you on the field and when you speak something about around you, whatever the things around you. And yes, the video in this video, whatever the things that I had speak, all the things are not very scripted. Whatever the things that I had said, all are from my own mind, from my own words. Okay, so yes, okay, so now I'm going to reach my home. So thank you for watching my video, guys, and yes, next time I will decide that in which topic should I talk on my video. So stay tuned with the channel. Bye bye, thank you.